What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I hope you liked the video about Pi. I know that was I know I kind of rambled on a lot. It's just it gets really complex, but in the long term it's really trying to solve the complexity and make it to where everybody can mine and have their own currency. But in today's video I'm just going to do a quick update on where Bitcoin is, Ethereum and XRP. We had some gold and silver kind of crash. There's rumors about a possible vaccine for COVID-19 in Russia, and kind of like where do we stand now. I was hopping on the Twitters and watched a couple of other YouTubers and stuff, and a lot of people are kind of trying to short the market now, and they're saying that this is it, we're not going back up. I'm not going to name any names because these guys they're also good at this, and that their opinions are valuable, and I highly recommend that you watch other ones because they may pick something up that you may think is more valid. You may hear me and go, okay, yeah, that sounds good, but why? But the whole point is you're supposed to gather as much information as you can, take that information and make the best decision that you can. So I post my unsuccessful as well as my successful trades, only because I want you guys to know that I don't get it right every time either. Nobody does. Peter Brandt, the legendary traders, they don't get this shit right every time. You're going to have losses, but you have to make sure you take those, have proper stop losses so that way you don't get liquidated, and have a proper risk reward ratio so that way your successful trades make up for the ones that you lose. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and head over here to CoinMarketCap. We can see that we got lots and lots of red. I say in most of my videos that Bitcoin's the big dog here. If they go down, everything is going to go down. Right now we're trading at around 11,387 for Bitcoin. XRP dropped down to around 28 cents. Ethereum's back down to around 375. But I'm still bullish, and I'm going to show you why. So if we come over here to the daily chart on Bitcoin, we can see that we are still setting higher highs. We have this ascending triangle here. The flat top of resistance is close to around 12,000. I went ahead and drew it down here at about 11.8 just because that's where we have more candle bodies as well as more wick crosses. And until we break below this or below this moving average, I'm going to remain bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been in a 2.5-year bear market. Lots of people were not in profits, finally starting to get into profits, and now I feel like there's a big psychology that it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, but the charts say that we are still in a bull market. So until we actually get below this moving average here, and I went ahead and drew another ascending channel within this to show you that we are really following an uptrend still. Yeah, we broke out of that uptrend trying to set another high, which was unsuccessful, but when we came down, we've been following this ascending channel. The cross in the MACD is not something I'd like to see, but we could get right back out of that if we were to say check back up in this ascending channel. The best thing I see on all of this is the fact that our RSI is dropping back down. We're currently around 59, and this is saying that we're no longer overbought. And this is just showing that we're bringing those oscillators down. There's just a more positive trend for a bigger move here in the future, which I still think it's there until I get a drop out of this trend here. If we go ahead and zoom out real quick, I just want to show you couple things that just show how things happened in the past. After the big run up to 20,000, we had a descending triangle pattern here with a flat line of support. This broke to the downside. Here in June of 2019, we had this descending triangle, flat line of support. We broke to the downside. Just an example of here previously in April, we had a drop, and then we had this flat line of resistance, ascending channel, and we broke to the upside. I just see that potentially happening again here, especially with all the news coming around on cryptocurrencies, the way the world is. Currently silver is dropping down as well as gold, and I'll just pull that up for you guys real quick just so you can see that. Let me just type in gold instead of its ticker symbol there. If we go to gold, we can see that we had a drop here. All of these things are tied together in some way that we probably all don't understand, but I think that we're still in an uptrend here, and until we break below this, I am not going to flip to bearish. If we did say break though now, I would see very strong holding around 10.5. So 10.5 would be the mark that I would set, say a limit order to buy in between 10.5 and 10.6. But that could be risky because if we do drop that low, it could drop even further, and you may not want to enter in a trade during that drop. You may just want to see how it plays out. But in counter to that, if you do see how it plays out, you could have missed your chance. So, take this as a grain of salt, educate yourself and feel comfortable. The best bet for cryptocurrencies is buying and holding for the long haul. If you're doing this to make quick money, I hope you have a lot of knowledge, just because it's very, very easy to just take your whole savings and just... So definitely don't do that. And like I said, I include all the information in my Discord, different entry point stuff. And if you talk with me personally over messages, I can go over coins with you and where I would take entries. I said, but I'm not a financial advisor, just a doctor/idiot. And I do this because I enjoy it. Yes, I have been profitable, but I do have a lot of unsuccessful trades as well. So just remember that even people who are good at this, they're not always right. Just a quick update on Ethereum. It's looking this exact same pattern. We had some wicks that came down here to around the $367 range, and we're still in an ascending channel, and we're also within this symmetrical triangle pattern. We haven't broken down to the bottom. We are under our moving average. The times that we were above this resistance line and had it as support, now we're back into it. So yeah, it looks really bad here in the short term, but if you take a step back and look at the whole trend, we're still in a very, very good spot. And then for XRP, if you can see, exactly the same thing. We're above our moving averages here. We're in a symmetrical triangle pattern. This bottom line here that's in the middle is just showing where the previous wicks were. We dropped below that, so now we're in a bigger triangle. Once we drop below this, then I would switch to a more bearish standing, just because now the trend is your friend until it ends. And that would be confirmation to me that it is ending. I would say right now just to sit back and wait, because I really think it's still going to go up. It's just got to get some people get their money, take their profits. You can't move up too fast. You move up too fast, the correction down will only be bigger. But so that's it. That's going to be it for today. Again, the XRP giveaway will be on Friday. So if you haven't liked or commented, subscribed, just comment on any of the videos from when I started the XRP giveaway yesterday till Friday. All the comments will be included. So just tell me what your favorite crypto is. Let me know if there's anything you want me to cover. I'm looking at a couple other things to go over here during the week. I will be going back to work just a little bit Wednesday and Thursday, so I probably won't be able to do 2 videos a day, but I'll for sure get at least 1 video out a day. But again, thank you guys so much. It's I'm doing my best to expand this channel. I got affiliated with Bybit. Links in the description. The Discord's, really popping. I did see that the Discord link expired. I changed it to not expired, and the new link is in the description. So I'll see you guys in the next video.